السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we'll talk about an important rule in tajweed. This rule is idgham. To know idgham, we should understand the background of this rule. In letters in English, we have two kinds of characteristics. The first kind is permanent characteristics, which not change, as lowering as تفخيم. The heavy letters is خصوصا because they don't come sometimes heavy and sometimes light. No, it's always heavy. This is permanent characteristics. We have temporary characteristics. The letters in Arabic has two kinds of characteristics. The first one is heavy characteristic. The first one is permanent characteristics. The second one is temporary characteristics. Today, we'll talk about one kind of temporary characteristics. This is idgham. Idgham comes with noon, sakina, and tanween. Let's share the screen to understand. We have two kinds of idgham. Idgham comes in with noon sakina, and tanween. Tanween to fatha, to kasra, to dhamma. If I, in the last of a word, in the end of the word, at the end of the word, find to fatha, to kasra, to dhamma, this is called, we call it tanween. Tanween means fatha plus noon sakina, kasra plus noon sakina, dhamma plus noon sakina. All right. So when I wanted to do any rule of tajweed, I deal with noon sakina. I deal with noon sakina. All right. All right. Here we have noon sakina. Noon sakina means that noon has no movements. And tanween fathatain to fatha, to kasra, to dhamma. Double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma. Okay. When I found noon sakina in a word, or tanween which attached to the end of the word. Tanween doesn't come in the middle of the word. It just comes at the end of the word. When I found the noon sakina or tanween, in this case, I do 4 rules. First one, idgham, appearing, idgham, merging. Second one, idgham, merging. Third one is ikhfa, hiding. Third one, iqlab, changing. Okay, we'll talk about today about merging, idgham. Merging is easy lesson, but you must focus to understand it easily. Okay, idgham comes if noon sakina or tanween followed by any letter of these letters. Yarmaluna. Yarmaluna. If noon sakina or tanween followed by ya or ra or mim or lam or waw or noon, in this case we do idgham. But idgham has 2 types. The first type is idgham بغنة, and the second one idgham بغير غنة. Idgham بغنة, idgham with غنة. غنة, what does غنة mean? غنة is a nasal sound. It's a sound in the nose. Okay, let's try to say, for example, noon, noon. This sound is غنة. Noon. You can't pronounce. غنة comes in noon and the meme. It's a part of a makeup of the. It's a part of makeup of the letter. So you can't pronounce noon or meme without غنة. Noon and meme is غنة, like noon, meme. All right. When I do idgham, there is إدغام بغنة, إدغام with غنة, and إدغام بغير غنة, without غنة. إدغام with غنة comes in the word ينمو. إدغام without غنة in لام and را. Alright? If the word in any word in Arabic has no second or tanween, after it there is a letter of this letter ينمو. In this case, we do إدغام بغنة. For example, the word موال. This in this case, we do إدغام بغنة for noon. How I can do this? First, you should know what does إدغام mean. إدغام means to pronounce the two letters as you pronounce the second letter in case of shadda, in case of mushaddad. Now you will read these two letters, noon and waw, as you pronounce just waw in mushaddad with shadda. Mew, don't say min, but say mew. This noon as it waw. You pronounce it as well. Then you merge it in the following waw. Mew, but and do غنة. Mew. How I know that I do غنة? Take your nose. Mew. Can you notice the sound? Mew. But if there's غنة, when I say mew, this is wrong. I must have one here. Mew. All right. I do it with two counts. موال. من يعمل. Right? And we have إدغام بغير غنة in لام and را. For example, من لدنه. For example, I read من لدنه. No غنة. من لدنه. Try to notice this. ملة no sound here in the nasal cavity. Okay, so we can abbreviate this letter that we have characteristics for letters in Arabic. There is permanent characteristics and there is temporary characteristics. Permanent characteristics which don't change. For example, heaviness. Heaviness that mean تفخيم as in the words and as in the letters خص ضغط انقاذ, it doesn't change. Okay, but there is permanent but there is temporary characteristic which change according to the position of the letter in the word, according to the following letters, according to the preceded letter. Okay, one of these temporary characteristics is إدغام. إدغام comes in noon sakina and tanween. Noon sakina means the noon has no movement above it. تنوين double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma, which attach to the end of the words. Okay. After that, noon sakina or tanween, noon sakina or tanween, if they are followed by letter of this letter, yarmaluna. In this case, we do idgham. Idgham has two types, idgham بغنة. If the noon sakina or tanween followed by one of these letters, yanmu. إدغام بغير غنة, إدغام without غنة. If noon sakina or tanween followed by lam or ra. ينمو, for example, موال. We do it to count this from the nasal. موال. I should do غنة from my nasal passage. I say موال. lam and ra. I should do غنة without غنة. من لدنه, as for example من لدنه, but in ينمو for example موال, but here من لدنه. Like this. Now we finished our lesson today. I hope you now understand very good the difference between إدغام بغنة and إدغام بغير غنة, إدغام with غنة and إدغام without غنة. It's so easy. I ask Allah to help you. Thank you very much. take care. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.